Oh yeah, bro. We are shooting bomb and we are finished bomb and we are going to taking bomb. And we will putting and enjoying whole night, whole day and enjoying what? Biri sikor khai. enjoying bro. And look, subscribe button ha.
Yes bro, yes. Subscribe button bro. PDM College and we are just rocking, okay? So here the guys will tell something man.
Hey guys, not burn
Okay. Damn it. Yes. Remember that, okay? So burn less and don't pollute much. That's all. Hi guys, so we just came to Rome during this Diwali festival, so I hope you guys are also enjoying. So basically this is our college and one day I will make one proper vlog of my college, okay? So stay tuned for that.
Cause I can't let you go. I want you to know that I will make you mine. Cause I can't let you go. I want you to know that I will make you mine. So before we dive deeper, I wanna get to know you.
We have Rome a lot, so here is the gang.
Interview.
Tell something, man.
Oh yeah, bro. We are shooting bomb and we are finished bomb and we are going to taking bomb. And we will putting and enjoying whole night, whole day and enjoying what? Biri sikor khai. enjoying bro. And look, subscribe button ha.
Yes bro, yes. Subscribe button bro. Guys, I just have reached to one unknown place. As you can see, the decoration is fantastic. It has no words to explain, and I hope you guys will explain something.
'Cause I don't think we're finished until I cross the line. 'Cause I can't let you go. I want you to know.
As you can see, we are in the street of this area. Okay, so this is almost 12 o'clock and we are just roaming in the street of this area, and as you can see, there are no people, you can see, and we are just with our friends, as you can see, and it looks amazing. Okay, so I will show you, as you can see. So again,
It's
here is the
shivering.
yes,
Cold,
shivering, cold.
So cold, man.
So cool. Okay, guys, please send one sweater, okay, through online. Okay, so we are shivering. Okay, so it's so cold, man. What to do? So guys, if you like this short and simple video for whatsoever reason, then please don't forget to like, share, comment, and please subscribe the channel. So this was really fun vlog. I hope you guys will enjoy. So whatever the things we have shown in our videos, so I hope you guys will enjoy, and yeah, that's all. So we will just roam today and we will enjoy the day with joy and prosperity. So that's all, and I hope you guys also will enjoy. So that's all, enjoy the day, and guys, please burn less cracker, don't pollute so much. Okay, so that's one reminder. So bye bye. Hi guys, we have just come up to here, and here is Rudra Singh.
Hello, I'm so tired.
He's so tired. Okay, so
Yeah, we all friends together came to. Hey, I'm not your bro. Because it seems I'm not your friend. He gets scared when he goes along the road.
Guys, let me tell one thing. Rudra Singh is scared of ghosts.
That means he believes in superstition. I don't believe in ghosts, bro. This fellow. They're just lying. I don't believe in ghosts.
We are not lying, guys.
You can see him in her face, not her face.
Okay, in his face, as you can see, in his face, just you see the expression. Okay,
He's getting scared.
He's
So we came to talk.
He is so much scared of ghosts. Okay, so because of that only, we have just come to the street to drop him. Okay, so that's all.
Daddy.
This is really fun vlog. Okay, so enjoy it. This vlog as a fun. Don't take it seriously. So again, then put so much negativity, take it as a positive way. Okay, I hope you guys will enjoy. So we have also enjoyed a lot. Okay, bye bro, bye.
So really you ain't gonna hit me back, yeah. Now it's all just you got me on blast, damn. You're over it, I've been done. We're so